Good morning and welcome to English 101 Summer 2024 at Mesa College. I'm Michael Zimmerman, or Mr. Z, your instructor for this 8-week course. I just want to give you a bit of an overview of the course and go over some important details. This is going to be our homepage. Everything is on Canvas, no Zoom meetings. It's all asynchronous. As I mentioned, it's 8 weeks, so it's quite condensed. We're going to be doing a full 16-week course in 8 weeks. Okay, so here we have the my email. You can email me or send me messages on Canvas. This is a link to our class readings week by week. So week 1 we have 2 readings, week 2 2 readings, week 3 and 4 there are 3 different readings, and then after that we'll be doing some research. And the syllabus is here, so you can click on that. We have important details. Our class is split into 4 different units. The first unit is developing skills to summarize a written argument. The second unit is summarizing and assessing the strengths and weaknesses of a written argument. The third unit, we're summarizing, assessing, and responding to a written argument. So all of our readings, as I said, are listed on that document. They're also attached to the essay assignments and the brainstorming questions, which I'll talk about in a moment. We are reading nonfiction argumentative articles taken from a website called The Conversation, and our task is to understand them, summarize them, and analyze them ultimately. Okay, so some important stuff to read here are outcomes, the course description, focusing a little bit for a moment on AI. I know that's a tempting tool sometimes now for essay writing. I would advise you not to use it. I will consider it unoriginal work and using ideas from elsewhere, because basically AI is just scraping the internet for other written information and using it as a generative content. So I wouldn't use that. I would consider it plagiarism. We have 4 essays. As I said, each unit accumulates into a final essay assignment. Then we have chapter quizzes, short writings, and some discussions. Our schedule is here. We have a 3-day-a-week schedule to break up the assignment deadlines, just so we're not waiting till the end of the week to do all of it. So we'll have a Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday schedule. So as I said, it's a condensed schedule. So the first week, our first essay is due. Okay, so if you look at the due dates here on our syllabus schedule, essay 1 is due on Saturday. And since it's such a condensed schedule, late work is not accepted. You need to stay on top of the assignments, right? The readings, very important that you do the readings to be successful on the essays. You can read the chapters, which are all broken into units, right? So if I go to Unit 1, Chapter 2 is here. Read all of this. You can also listen to it if that suits you better, or you can read and listen at the same time. There's an audio component. Sorry, the Wi-Fi is a little slow here. But if you see, each section has a reading, and you can also listen to it. There we are, showing up. You can listen to an audio version if that helps you. Okay. I'm just gonna, you'll see it there. But we're focusing on Unit 1 this week, and then as we develop and move through the class, each unit will be open and you'll be able to access that information. Okay. On the left hand side here, we can see some resources available. We have online and in-person tutoring, online student support services, and the Mesa Library. Okay, and that will be important as we go forward. I will also be sending out videos on Essay 1 later in the week, and really, I just want to make sure you knew that there was someone here. There is a human, okay, behind the class and reading your work and responding to your messages. As I said, though, we get rolling quickly, and you need to hit the ground running, do the readings, stay on top of the quizzes. The quizzes are multiple choice typically, and you can do them as many times as you need to. So there's no, you're not being penalized. You just need to understand the concepts. Okay? So make sure you do the readings and then do the quizzes. All right, I'll be checking in again later this week. Hope you're all well, and I look forward to working with you this summer. Take care.